In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate and not get lost with all the different Google Classroom assignments that we are using for our RST. So first thing is, I'm not on the stream page where you start. I'm on the classwork tab where things are a little more organized. So go to the classwork tab, and then there's this new topic here called Unit 1 RST. This is where we're going to kind of house or keep all of the actual documents that you're going to turn in. So right here is the actual document that eventually you're going to type or just copy and paste the individual parts as we do them in other lessons, your final RST. So yesterday's assignment was lesson 29. That's where we had the writing for paragraph 1. Here is where you should have started writing your context and your thesis, essentially by the end having written your entire first paragraph. If you're not done with that today, then again, this is your work day to kind of catch up. But once you are done with your first intro paragraph, you're going to copy it and then go to the RST final writing. You'll erase this right here where it says erase this text and replace it with your writing. And then you'll paste your first intro paragraph there. And that's where we're kind of building towards turning in and finishing your RST in this document here. But remember, there's the individual class assignments. These are still where the individual days assignments will be. And the sources packet that you're going to need, especially if you are done and already have your first intro paragraph and want to start looking for sources to back your assertions, is under lesson 28. So again, that's where you'll find the sources packet. You should have already started coding and highlighting and writing gist statements. But to get ahead, you can start looking for sources. And I also, just in case, copied another version of the sources packet here. Sorry if you're like, well, oh man, now I have two different versions. You can just open up this version, erase everything, and paste the version that you started working on in lesson 28 here. So again, I'm sorry that you're kind of hopping through multiple classroom assignments, trying to find documents and putting them all in one place, but it's good practice for, keeping organized digitally, which is definitely a skill that'll help you. So if you're confused about this, again, you can always just rewatch this video. But again, this is where you're going to be finding today's lesson and then eventually copying your final completed first paragraph and writing it in this document here, RST final writing.